Qoko mukumakarabha amathaconsele entshebeni yile Commanders morning. Ma-commanders bhekene nempi enzima, impi yama-voice notes. Sinenkinga ekhona. So manje na-ke kuthiwa makuhlangene iy'nkunzi, only the grass that suffers. So manje safarisha ama-ground forces makunje. Akudidekile ngazi kwenzakalani. Commanders morning. Manje-ke siphethe head of security KZN yomkhonto wesizwe, member of national security yomkhonto wesizwe, uCommander uBarry Mshipheni, uCommander Bathu, also known as Sizwe Zulu. Commanders morning, ngicela inike indlela, ngicela imlalele kahle ma-commanders, ningadideki, lalele kahle, nizwe kahle ukuthi kuthiwani ukuze singalokhu sikhuluma esingayazi. Commanders morning, I salute.
Morning, my comrade. Morning, my commander. Morning, my freedom fighters. Morning, my social katam. Morning, Zingane Ncamalala. Ucommander Mshipheni, uManzini, head of security in KwaZulu Natal. Sicela ukudlulisa nakho okubalekile maqabane. Umkhonto wesizwe okwi-era engayinhle ezosakhela i-infiltration and i-dividing. Sikwi-era esike sadlula kona maqabane before and sizodlula nakule. When sifoma umkhonto wesizwe bekuthi makubonakala ukuthi ukhuthele ucomrade usebenza ngokuyikhandla. I-system ibisebenzisa abanye abantu ukuthi bakubrandeze umuntu we-ANC. There's comrade ababrandeze abantu abasebenzela i-ANC, whereas our comrade who are genuine, who are serving umkhonto wesizwe. 2, sibuya kwi-era kaKhumalo la abantu bebebrandwa as abantu bakaKhumalo bengabona abantu bakaKhumalo. Babekhona abantu bakaKhumalo siyabazi, babekhona abantu ababeseve i-ANC siyabazi, but not abantu ababebrandwa for ukwenza ama-political career assassination kubona ukuze ama-comrade abadawuthe ngomsebenzi omuhle abawenzayo. Namanje sikuleyo era-ke maqabane yokuthi comrade, they will be branded as abantu baka Floyd, whereas a genuine comrade of umkhonto wesizwe party, it's a system. Uyayichaza ke ukomisa name athi it's a system, it's a same system. It changes its color, it changes everything, but it's still the same system. Siyacela ke maqabane, as the security, national security of umkhonto wesizwe, will be dealing with these matters. Siyacela abantu banga interfereish nama matter e-security. I-security ene-right to protect umkhonto wesizwe, to protect leadership yomkhonto wesizwe, to protect ubaba uNcamalala, to protect ama-members omkhonto wesizwe. I-security ene-duty yokwenza uzinzo ne-stability kulo mkhonto wesizwe. And i-security ene-duty to vet everyone kumkhonto wesizwe. Siyacela ke maqabane ukuthi asiyekele i-security yenza umsebenzi wayo. Ubaba unama-unit amaningi e-security. Kwa-security sine-overt operation, sibe ne-covert operation. Overt operation ibona oCommander Mshipheni and other comrade enwaziyo ukuthi aka-security. Kanti covert operation, it's a lot of comrade who are working underground for umkhonto wesizwe kwi-security yomkhonto wesizwe. As a head of security KwaZulu Natal, I know these units, I work with these units. Sicela nidedele ama-comrade security enza umsebenzi wawo, niyeke ukwenza ama-political career assassination to other comrades. If awumthanda uqabane, vela nje genuine uthi angimthanda ucomrade, don't brand ucomrade in a wrong way. If you have evidence, send those evidence to ama-unit kababa. Kune-national security, kune-do or die, and other unit omkhonto wesizwe aseva ka-security. Senda leyo evidence yakho to those comrades. Asiyeke ukwenza ama-VN nama-video where we are destroying other comrades with ama-rumor, without ama-fact. Because if wenza njalo, thina ka-security sizokubuka njengomuntu othunyiwe, sizokubuka njengomuntu osebenzela a certain system to destroy and divide umkhonto wesizwe. I'm warning comrade ukuthi we need to be careful kule era esikuyona. Asingawuvumeli uhlamva olumbi oluzosidivide, because umkhonto wesizwe uyi-threat to the imperialist, to the white capital system, and to the foreign intelligence agents ezifake imali kakhulu ukuthi akudivide umkhonto wesizwe, because iphupho lomkhonto wesizwe nevision kababa uJacob Gedle Ihlekisa Mhlanganyelwa Nxamalala yokuliberate umuntu omnyama, wokubuyisa umhlaba wobabamkhulu kubanikazi bawo, wokubuyisa umnotho wobabamkhulu kubanikazi bawo, ugadla direct kuma-foreign countries ahlomulayo kulelizwe. The duty of intelligence is to protect the interest of their countries, and the interest lama countries agcwele la intelligence yabo ukuzodefenda i-interest yabo. Ngiyacela ke ma-comrade asibeni unite, even if kufika siphi isikhathi, asimeni ndawonye sitrustane, i-security khona for ukwenza umsebenzi wakhe. Ngiyabonga.